Hello there. Today we'll be doing dice throws. In this problem, we are given an integer n. This is the number of dice that we have. Faces. This is the number of faces that the dice have, and a total, a number that we're trying to reach. So by how we're trying to determine how many ways it is possible to throw n dice, with the faces each getting to a total. And we have to mod the answer by 10 to the 9 plus 7. So how we do this is by getting it's dynamic programming. Because we can get closer and closer to our answer by reducing the number of dice and rolling the number of dice and getting a new total. What I mean by that is that if we do a recursion, a simple way, a brute force way of doing this, we can get the answer, but there will be repeated parts of the problem that we can find. So let's say we're going to say if, let's say, number of dice is equal to 0, right? We're going to return 0 if a target, if the total is like equal to 0. Else, we're gonna return 0. If it's equal to 0, return 1. Right? And we're going to do this by using recursion for faces, and we're going to run the dynamic. We're going to self.solve n minus 1. Now there are 1 fewer dice, same amount of faces, and we're going to do a total minus the face that we currently have. This way we get the item that we want. So of course we set the count. And we return the count. One thing to make sure of is if n is less than 0, that we need to return 0 as well, because sometimes it does not hit 0. I think, well, if n equals 0, I think that deals with the whole thing. So let's just run it. Okay, for face and faces, range faces. Total answer is 4. Right, I think there's a reason for that, and the reason is, well, yeah, we should start at 1, and we need to do +1 here. Run. Okay, so with that, we have solved dice throws in a very naive solution. But then we are doing repeated work. The repeated work here is that for the n number of dice and for a particular total, we are repeating the work that we need to do. And that causes us to have a time limit exceeded problem. One way we can solve this is to have a memorization to the dice that we have, and the total target we're trying to create. And I will do this in the next video, and we will learn more about memorization, and then we'll do a bottom-up solution, which is very similar to the coin change problem in the third video. So this is a 3-part series, and I welcome you to try out take a look at the next video to see how we can do dice throws. As always, if you have any questions, comment below. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and if you want more videos, check the link in the description below. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one.